Okay, I'm Arsyasi Kusumaningharti from the English Education Study Program will present material about simple present tense and simple future tense. Simple present tense. In English grammar, the simple present tense is a verb form that refers to an action or event that is ongoing or that regularly takes place in the present time. For example, in the sentence, he cries easily, the verb cries is an ongoing action that he easily does. It is a form of the verb most commonly used in the English language, which is used to reveal the factual event and habitual general or not general, instruct, or plan of schedule, pattern. Positive sentence, subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Information. Number 1. Use the s or es suffix only for subjects such as he, she, and it. Number 2. The s or es ending in the verb does not apply to the subject I, you, we, and they. Number 3. Added s or es only for positive sentence. Number 4. Does pairs with he, she, and it. Except in the case of the word be, the simple present is present in English by either the base form of a verb, like in I sing, or the base form plus the third person singular s inflection, as in she sings. A verb in the simple present tense can appear alone as the main verb in a sentence. This finite verb form is called simple because it does not involve aspect. Next, in English grammar, there are 7 accepted functions of the use of the simple present for of verbs to express permanent states, general truths, habitual action, life commentary, performative action, past time or historic, present and future time. Basic meaning of the simple present. There are variety of use for the simple present in verb conjunction, but mostly is served to keep the sentence structure itself ground in the event happening presently or as they relate to the here and now. Lists out the 7 commonly accepted functions of the simple present for form of verbs. Number 1. Permanent state. Jupiter is a very massive planet. Number 2. General truth. The earth is round. Number 3. Habitual action. Her doctor works in Rome. Number 4. Life commentary. In each case, I added the two numbers 3 plus 3 gives 6. Number 5. Performative. I pronoun you man and wife. Number 6. Past time. See historic present. He moves. to the window alongside and she heard inside the office moving away from the door. He short twists through the window and kills her. Number 7. Future time. My flight leaves at 4:30 this afternoon. Next, in each of these cases, the simple present serves to keep the verb form in the present even when referring to past or future action. The sentences are grown in the present by their verb, but the simple present form is not the only way to express the present. Example sentence simple present positive. Number 1. I live in a small town. Number 2. You speak English fluently. Number 3. We eat 3 times a day. Example sentence simple present negative. Number 1. I don't live in small town. Number 2. You do not speak English fluently. Number 3. We do not eat 3 times a day. Example sentence simple present interrogative. Number 1. Do I live in small town? Number 2. Do you speak English fluently? Number 3. Do we eat 3 times a day? Next, example sentence simple present tense affirmative. Pattern. Subject plus verb 1 plus to be is, am, are plus object. 1. She reads Harry Potter book every day. 2. They watch new movie every Sunday. Example sentence simple present tense negative. Pattern. Subject plus don't or does not plus verb 1 plus object. 1. She does not read Harry Potter book every day. 2. They don't watch new movie every Sunday. Example sentence simple present tense interrogative. Pattern. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. 1. Does she read a Harry Potter book? 2. Do they watch a new movie every day? Function sentence, simple present tense, and example sentence. Number 1. To indicate the current recurring event. Example. I take the motorcycle to the office. The train to Bekasi leaves every hour. 2. The show a fact. Example. The president of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. A snake has not legs. 3. The show habit. Example. Donnie gets up early at 5 o'clock every day. John takes a bath twice a day. The second topic of simple future tense. In English grammar, the simple future is a form of the verb that refers to an action or event that has not yet begun. As illustrated below in example and observation, the simple future is also used to make a prediction or to show ability, intention, or determination, also called the future simple. Pattern simple future tense. subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object, or subject plus to be, is, am, are, plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Next, the simple is expressed by placing the helping verb will or shall, or a contracted form of will or shall, in front of the base form of a verb. I will arrive tomorrow. I won't leave on Wednesday. For other ways of forming the future in English, see future tense. Next, example and observation. We are lambs in a den of wolves. We will need your help. The blueskin are bigger and stronger than the pinkies, and if they have sharp sticks which are longer than ours, they will surely defeat us. What's up and eat your breakfast, Avery, said his mother. The school bus will be along in half an hour. Let me make a quick call and then I will join you if that's all right. The old woman called to Butterbumps, "Fool, I give you a song, a long one, I should think. You can set a goal to get better grades, but if you are not planning to go to college, chances are that goal won't have much meaning for you, and you probably won't reach the goal." Example sentence, simple future tense affirmative. Pattern, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Example 1. They will take school examination next month. 2. Budi will take public speaking class tomorrow. 3. Peter is going to move to his new house next week. Example sentence, simple future tense negative. Pattern, subject plus will plus not, or verb 1 plus object. 1. He will not join sport club at school. 2. They are not going to go puncak because of the weather. 3. Peter is not going to buy new house tomorrow. Example sentence, simple future tense interrogative. Pattern, will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. 1. Will you come to my party tonight? 2. Will John buy new car next month? Next, the use of simple future tense. 1. Declare an event that will occur in the future. 2. Declare something that has been decided to do. 3. Express an offer and request. 4. State the decision to do something without a plan. 5. Express an emotion or feeling. Adverb of time. The adverb of time is very important to know so that we can determine what tenses the sentence use. Example: tomorrow, later, next week, next month, next year, soon, tonight, by and by, the day after tomorrow. Actually, it is quite easy to remember the description of the time of the event that will occur or occur later is a future tense sentence. For example, in this morning, in this evening, in this afternoon, it can be used as an adverb of the future tense if the time contact has not happened and will happen. Next, will versus be going to. As already mentioned, the simple future tense is essential to the word will and be going to have a different function in the use of these words. I will function to submit a request or request example of sentence. Example sentence: I need a hand for those groceries. Will you help me? B. To show desire or unwillingness. Example sentence: He won't go no matter what. C. To make an appointment. Example sentence: I promise I will come to your party. D. To point out general facts. Example sentence: Plants will die if they don't get enough water. Be going to. Function: I. To show intention or purpose. Example sentence: I am going to go to the party whether you are there or not. B. To talk about events that are about to happen. Example sentence: Look at those clouds. It is going to rain. C. To discuss the plans that have been made. Example sentence: We are going to spend a month in Japan. Will and be going to. Function: I. To make prediction. Example sentence: Everything will be fine for Nathan's party, and everyone is going to have fun. B. Be going to usually used to introduce a topic, then continue with a sentence that uses will. Example sentence: I am going to write an article. First, I will do some research on the topic, then I will make an outline and write. Shall and will. Shall originally meant obligation or compulsion and was a full verbs like eat, walk, and play, but now it is used only as an auxiliary, as is the modal will, which originally carried the sense of volition. Because obligation and intention concern future conduct, and because English verbs lack a true future form, shall and will come to be used with future time, with the result that shall and will can now be used either to express modal meanings or to mark future time. There are a set of exceptions, written rules to distinguish these to use. One should use shall to express plain future in the first person, use will to express plain future in the second and third persons, and do the reverse to convey modal meanings. These unmanageable rules have largely been abandoned in common use. Shall is rarely used to indicate plain future and barely survive in this modal form. In the stylish context of legal drafting, shall continues to serve as a means of expressing obligation, while will express simple future. Next, function shall. I. To make sentence more formal. Example sentence. I shall go to the store. B. To offer something. Example sentence. Shall I get you a drink? C. To purpose activities carried out by speakers and listeners. Example sentence. 1. Shall we dance? 2. Let's dance.